हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका स्टडी हब ऑनलाइन पर। यहाँ हम रोज लेकर आते हैं हिंदू के डेली वोकैब्युलरी वर्ड्स जो आपके कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए मस्ट नो होते हैं। फॉर पीडीएफ जॉइन आवर टेलीग्राम, लिंक इन डिस्क्रिप्शन। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन। एंक्रोचमेंट, अतिक्रमण। मीनिंग, इंट्रूजन ऑन अ पर्सन्स टेरिटरी, राइट्स और प्रॉपर्टी। Synonyms: intrusion, invasion, trespass, infringement. Antonyms: withdrawal, retreat, respect. Example: the party promoted the encroachment of the land of our farmers and tribal people. Pandering: तुष्टीकरण करना, बढ़ावा देना. Meaning: to gratify or indulge an immoral or distasteful desire, need, or habit. Synonyms: indulging, gratifying, satisfying, catering. Antonyms: disappointing, frustrating, denying. Example: the country had bled when the party had been in power by pandering to vote bank politics. Inception, sthapna, आरंभ. Meaning: the establishment or starting point of an institution or activity. Synonyms: beginning, commencement, origin, outset. Antonyms: conclusion, end, termination. Example: he felt humiliated over recognized party status eluding the Ham.'s even after a decade since its inception. Convened, आयोजित करना, बुलाना. Meaning: to come or bring together for a meeting or activity, to assemble. Synonyms: summoned, assembled, gathered. Antonyms: dispersed, scattered, adjourned. Example: the assembly speaker was urged to convene a special assembly session to condemn the detention. Glut, bharmar, adhikya. Meaning: an excessively abundant supply of something. Synonyms: surplus, excess, oversupply, surfeit. Antonyms: scarcity, dearth, lack, shortage. Example: a glut of politically scandalous controversies will likely animate the Kerala Legislative Assembly. Conglomerate, संगुटिका, विविध व्यवसायों का समूह. Meaning: a large corporation formed by the merging of separate and diverse firms. Synonyms: corporation, empire, consortium. Antonyms: small business, sole proprietorship. Example: the Kukizo Council is a conglomerate of civil society organizations. Modus operandi, कार्यप्रणाली. Meaning: a particular way or method of doing something. Synonyms: method, procedure, technique, approach. Example: funds are being collected under the guise of relief, the same modus operandi used during the 2005 earthquake. Stranglehold, शिकंजा, पूर्ण नियंत्रण. Meaning: a position of complete control that prevents something from developing. Synonyms: grip, monopoly, dominance, chokehold. Antonyms: freedom, liberation. Example: Surya Kumar Yadav's team maintained its stranglehold over Pakistan in the match. Indigenization, Swadeshikaran. Meaning: the process of bringing something under the control, dominance, or influence of people native to an area. Synonyms: nationalization, localization. Antonyms: globalization, foreignization. Example: the new manual will help in the indigenization of defense items and spares. Prudent, vivekpurn, viveki. Meaning: acting with or showing care and thought for the future. Synonyms: wise, cautious, sensible, judicious. Antonyms: imprudent, reckless, unwise, foolish. Example: scientists feel that mosquito reduction or eradication may not be the most prudent way forward. If you like the video, do comments and subscribe. Stay cool, keep learning, be Gen G.